Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday. It's February 11th. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Jill Reel is in for Eric this morning, bringing with her some blustery overnight weather. Right, Jill?
That's right. For those who are waking up early this morning, it was early for some, like my students.
Early for your students, yes.
I got to sleep in this morning. You probably have to use a snow brush. We did see a dusting to about an inch or two of snow throughout the overnight. Still seeing a few flurries, though, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, these flurries will not be around throughout the day. Again, we will see those snow showers push off and dissipate throughout the morning and into the early afternoon hours. But don't be surprised to wake up and to see some snow in the air, especially across western parts of Oneida and Madison counties. And we're seeing actually a little bit of sunshine as you head up towards the Adirondacks. We're seeing some sunshine in Whiteface, but the majority of the area starting off with some cloudy conditions and breezy conditions as well. We have that wind out of the west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. Do expect breezy conditions as we go throughout today, but the snow is going to come to an end and a return to some sunshine. We'll see even more sunshine for Sunday. Look at that forecast coming up in just a bit. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. Firefighters from 3 companies.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We are starting off this morning with a few lake effect snow showers across the region, along with mostly cloudy skies. Taking a live look at our CAV tower cam as we look towards downtown Utica. Again, you can see that fresh coating of snow all across central New York. Again, these snow showers that are around this morning will be dissipating as we head towards this afternoon. And you can see that fresh snow on our Utica National Insurance Group Cooperstown camera. Again, snow showers will be winding down. If you are heading out this morning into the afternoon hours, do expect, again, mostly cloudy conditions across central New York. Those snow showers will be sticking around as we go throughout the morning hours, with more sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, these flurries again will begin to diminish as high pressure begins to move in. So that high pressure is moving in from the north, and with that, some drier air is going to begin to move into the region. And with that drier air, we will see a return to some sunshine as we head throughout the second half of today. It's going to take a little bit of time, but do expect more in the way of some sunshine as we go throughout the afternoon. A better chance for some sunshine as we head towards Sunday. Now, with the clearing skies this morning, it's on the cool side. We're at 19 degrees in Big Moose. We're at 27 in Lowville, 30 in Westmoreland, 35 in Deansboro. As we head to the south across the southern valleys, waking up at 27 in Hamilton, 28 in Cooperstown, and 23 in Skanevis. So we're looking for that sunshine, of course, and we're going to see that sunshine, especially for tomorrow and for Monday. Do expect mostly sunny skies for both of those days. I know most of January was filled with cloud cover, even the beginning of February, but we are looking to turn that corner as we head into this weekend and into the beginning of next week. So on our Skycast, as we go throughout the morning hours, those clouds will be sticking around, but we will see more sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. So by 5 p.m. before that sun sets, we are expecting mostly sunny conditions. As we head into this evening, into tonight, do expect mostly clear skies. That will allow temperatures to drop back into the 20s up north. You can be dropping back into the teens as we head into tomorrow, late tomorrow morning into the early morning hours. Then as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, I know a lot of people will be out and about getting ready for the big game, that Super Bowl Sunday. No travel problems. And look at this. We're going to be near 40 degrees as we head throughout the afternoon hours under mostly sunny skies. We'll see a little bit of extra cloud cover as we head towards Sunday night, but more sunshine for Monday. So again, for today, sunshine this morning, clouds as we head throughout the morning hours, sunshine this afternoon. Tonight, we'll drop back into the teens. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast as we head towards tomorrow, lots of sunshine in the 40s. Check this out. I did it. I put 60 on the 7-day forecast for next Thursday. Okay, the teacher in me wants to give you some real deal trivia for this morning. How many degrees does the Earth rotate per hour?
Oof, I didn't take earth science. I haven't done this since 9th grade, so I'm going to say B, 15.
And you and our director are correct. And because we rotate 15 degrees per hour, that's how we get all our time zones.
Oh, who knew?
So there you go, a little fun fact for you.
15. Thank you. I hope all your students got it right, too. Thanks, Jill. Taking a live look at the state.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We're starting to see a few breaks in the clouds across the region, but do expect more sunshine as we go throughout the morning and into the afternoon. A live look at our CAV tower cam as we are looking towards downtown Utica, seeing a few peaks of sun. Also notice that fresh snow that we saw last night. Again, with that cold front moving through and some leftover lake effect snow showers. We're also seeing those end of snow showers on our Utica National Insurance Group Cooperstown camera. You can see the sidewalks still have some snow on them, but the roads look to be clear for today. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon, the chance of snow is going to decrease, but we're still seeing a few snow showers out to the west as you head it towards Oneida, as well as just south of Syracuse. So if you are heading west or north along the New York State Thruway, just be aware that there are a few snow showers. Again, this lake effect snow is going to begin to diminish as high pressure moves in from the north. And with that high pressure, drier air. So that drier air will mean less cloud cover today and especially as we head towards tomorrow. So temperatures not too bad for this morning, a little bit cooler than the past couple of days. We're at 20 degrees in Big Moose, 30 in Westmoreland, 28 in Whitesboro, 25 in Deansboro. As we travel to the south across the southern valleys, 28 in Cooperstown, 23 in Skenevis, and 29 in Sherburne. So we are searching for that sunshine, and guess what? We're going to see several days of sun as we go throughout today. We will see some breaks in the clouds, but we're really going to see some sunshine as we head it towards tomorrow, Monday, and even for Tuesday. So something we haven't seen in quite some time. Some sunshine, and it looks like it's here to stay for the next couple of days. So on our Skycast, as we go throughout the morning hours, any cloud cover or lake effect snow will begin to diminish. So as we head towards the noon hour, a mix of sun and clouds. Do expect more sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. So by the evening hours, mostly clear skies, temperatures in the low 30s. It is going to be a bit breezy as we go throughout today. Tonight, clear skies throughout the overnight. Temperatures will drop back into the 20s. Some teens are possible up across the North Country and into the Adirondacks. Gorgeous day tomorrow. Maybe you're running some errands, getting that food ready for Super Bowl Sunday. We are expecting plenty of sunshine throughout the morning. Look at this, by 40 degrees by the afternoon, and that quiet weather will continue for Sunday night and into Monday. So for today, some clouds this morning, sunshine this afternoon. Temperatures will be in the low 30s. As we head into tonight, mostly clear skies will drop back into the teens. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast for tomorrow, near 40 degrees, and we're going to be in the 40s as we head towards Monday and Tuesday, 50s by Wednesday, and yes, I did it. I put 60 degrees for next Thursday, for the middle of February. Not good news for those snow lovers out there, as we will see some very warm temperatures. Now, speaking of seasons, what causes the seasons on Earth? So Katrina was hemming and hawing during break.
Don't I always hem and haw during the breaks? I was thinking it was C because it has to revolve around the sun, but I'm going to go with D because the seasons wouldn't happen without the tilt.
And that is absolutely correct. Now, you've got to think about it this way with the revolution of the sun. We are actually further away from the sun in summer compared to the winter.
Right, so then it's kind of the opposite.
Yeah, but we're tilted towards the sun, and that's why it's warmer.
Hemming and hawing always works.
Yes.
Gives you the right answer. Think first. Thanks, Jill. This marching band.
Now for a first look at your forecast tonight at 6 with meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, a lot of clouds today.
Yeah, and we were thinking of sunshine this evening, and the clouds stuck around a little bit longer. Now, we were thinking around the noon hour, a little bit after that, those clouds will start to weaken. But still, most of the Northeast was cloudless, except for central New York. So, and the timing just before sunset. Taking a look at our Mesnet cameras across the state, finally seeing some clear skies right before sunset. Some of the cameras have turned into night mode. That's why seeing them as black and white. Westmoreland, sunshine, clear skies. Herkimer, clear skies. Oppenheim clearing out a little bit too, but still seeing some cloud cover up in Colebrook, as well as Woodgate too. So still see the lingering clouds, but those clouds will gradually come to an end as we head into tonight, with even more nice conditions as we head into tomorrow. Wind speeds have finally decreased today. It was a bit breezy yesterday as well as the day before, but looking ahead towards the next couple of days, looking at less windy conditions. Now, Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, things are looking quiet, and tonight cooling down into lower 20s with mostly clear skies. A nice day expected tomorrow. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The rescue mission of Utica,
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Happy Saturday. We did see some lingering flurries this morning with mostly cloudy skies by this early afternoon, and then finally seeing some peaks of sunshine right before sunset, and sunny skies will continue as we head into tomorrow. Let's take a live look outside. Our Oneonta camera brought to you by Mountain Ice Pain Relief Gel, and things are finally looking quiet after several days of active weather. Taking a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Similar conditions, things are finally quiet across the area. Looking at clouds gradually decreasing from the south. Now, as we head into tonight, we have a situation we'll be dealing with. So, because what is called as radiational cooling, when skies are clear, the air cools very quickly. Now, we're going to be cooling down into the lower 20s tonight, but also we have warm air moving in from the south. We're going to have a bit of a battle tonight on to see exactly how cool we do get. Now, at this point, whenever we have low temperatures down into the lower 20s, possibly higher elevations in the upper teens, but we would have to see exactly when this warm air does move in, and if it does, low temperatures will only be in the lower 20s. Now, Skywatch is checking in the 20s this evening, 27 in Forestport, 28 in Boonville, as well as West Leiden, and Barneveld, Deerfield, and Clinton checking in with 29 degrees. Curtis Corners 25. Southern Valley's temperatures in the 20s as well, 28 degrees in Eaton and Whitesboro, 29 degrees in Cooperstown, and 27 degrees in Paynes Hollow. So radar and satellite composite, what's showing us right now, we did mention last weekend the possibility of a coastal storm. Now, thankfully, this is shifting out towards the east, and we're not going to be entirely unaffected by this. We're going to be seeing some clouds from this tomorrow. Now, these will be on the upper level, which means that these clouds will be thin and wispy, meaning that even though we're going to see some clouds tomorrow, they should be thin enough to allow some sunshine to peek through. So other than that, looking at a seasonably nice mid-February day for tomorrow. So our skycast for tonight, temperatures once again cooling down into the lower 20s. Keeping an eye on those low temperatures as that warm air does move in, seeing those clouds start to arrive by 1 a.m. Heading to early morning hours tomorrow, still looking at relatively quiet conditions, calm winds, temperatures quickly warming up into the upper 30s to lower 40s by 2 p.m. with still very nice conditions, a very nice Sunday for mid-February standards. Now, heading into the Sunday night and early Monday morning, due to the calm winds and temperatures cooling down, we're going to see some patchy fog across most of the area. So your morning commute still looking to be dry for Monday morning, but still just be aware of the possibility of some fog developing over most of the area. So for tonight, low of 21 degrees, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, a high of 41 degrees. Our 7-day forecast, those mild temperatures do continue for the next several days. 42 for Valentine's Day, reaching the 50s for Wednesday. We bumped the temperatures down a little bit for Thursday, high 55, but don't be surprised that temperature jumps right back up again to the 60s. Looking at rain showers to wrap up the end of the week, breezy conditions.
At 11, here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Ben. We are tracking quiet conditions this evening with mostly clear skies, clouds decreasing. Taking a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Once again, still looking at quiet conditions across the area, at least for the first time in the past several days or so. Now, taking a look at temperatures, this is the big story for tonight. Now, we have two scenarios happening. Due to the clear skies, what's called radiational cooling, basically the clear skies cause the temperatures to cool down very quickly. Also, we have warm air arriving from the south. And you can see right here a difference, 22 degrees in Whitesboro, 16 degrees in Little Falls. Those temperatures are still hovering around the upper teens to lower 20s, and at this point, it's looking to be balancing for right now. So for tonight, though, looking at quiet conditions, mostly clear skies, temperatures with the low around 16 degrees, warming up tomorrow with more mild temperatures and a pleasant day with sunshine. The level forecast is coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. When young
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Quiet conditions expected tonight with mostly clear skies and chilly temperatures down into the upper teens to lower 20s. Let's take a live look outside our Yukon National Insurance Group camera overlooking at Main Street in Cooperstown, and still once again things looking quiet across the state. As well as taking a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Once again, still looking at quiet conditions. The story tonight are going to be the temperatures. Now, right now, we are still in the 20s. Whitesboro, 22 degrees. Lowville, 25. Big Moose, 21. Dallarsville, a little bit cooler in 18 degrees. Little Falls, even cooler than that, 16 degrees. And so far, we're seeing a bit of a balance right now. That warm air is moving in from the south. Seeing temperatures 19 in Skenevis, actually, and 28 in Cooperstown. So a little bit of difference right there. But still, most of us are seeing temperatures temperatures once again in the upper teens to lower 20s tonight. Now tomorrow we do warm up, starting out in the 20s by the morning, warming up into the upper 30s by the afternoon, reaching possibly a high of 41 degrees with sunshine coming in. Could be a little bit warmer as well. And other than that, weather grades across the board, still some lingering light clouds in the morning, but we're going to be dealing with high upper level clouds in the afternoon. What this means is there's some thin level clouds, so although it will seem like there's clouds in the sky, we'll still be seeing sunshine peeking through. So talking about our skycast for tonight, once again, quiet conditions, temperatures cooling down into the lower 20s to upper teens. Taking a look at the winds, still relatively calm after past couple days of windy conditions. Things looking pretty quiet for tonight. By early tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon, mostly clear skies do continue with seeing those thin upper level clouds in the atmosphere. High temperatures warming up into the lower 40s. As you head into 6 p.m. to overnight hours into early Monday morning, you're seeing this fog start to roll in. With the winds being calm and the temperatures cooling down very quickly, then there's possibly some patchy fog for the early morning commute for Monday. And that'll turn to mostly sunny skies by Monday afternoon. And then we're keeping an eye on the possibility of rain and snow arriving as we head into Monday night into early Tuesday morning. So for tonight, low of 16 degrees, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, a high of 41 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Clouds possibly lingering around in the morning. Our 7-day forecast, I want to talk a little more about this for today. So for Sunday, nice conditions, temperatures in the 40s, a little bit warmer for Monday as well, with some morning fog turning into mostly sunny skies by the afternoon. Valentine's Day is still looking nice, temperatures in the 40s with still some clouds in the morning turning into some sunshine once again in the afternoon. Some morning showers for Wednesday. That turns to partly sunny skies by the evening, and then temperatures start to warm up, especially on Wednesday, high 51 degrees. By Thursday, 55 degrees. A warm front moves in, and then a strong cold front arrives, bringing some evening rain showers to early morning hours on Friday. Windy conditions quickly cooling down. The high of 45 is actually overnight, cooling down into the 30s, and then eventually the teens Friday night with more quiet conditions expected for Saturday. Ben?
Thank you very much, Eric. Coming up next, the Rangers travel